Hello everybody, my name is Hello. Welcome to this video series where we are solving Codeforces problems in Python. We are doing the Codeforces A2OJ ladder, and in this video we are doing problem 133A, which is called HQ9 plus. This is a very simple problem. Let's just go ahead and see how to solve it. So let's go ahead and read through this problem once before we attempt to solve it. HQ9 plus is a joke programming language. Okay, it only has 4 one-character instructions. If it says H, it prints hello world. If it says Q, it prints the source code of the program itself. If it says 9, prints the lyrics of 99 bottles of the beer song, and plus increments the value stored in the internal accumulator. The instructions H and Q are case sensitive and must be uppercase. This is the condition that we need to do. Okay, the characters of the program which are not instructed are ignored. This is also something that you need to understand. So whatever character which is outside this HQ9 plus, which are not instructions, they are just ignored. You don't throw any error, something like that. We are given a program written in HQ9 plus. We have to figure out whether executing this program will produce any output. Will produce any output is also an important thing to keep in mind here. Let's just go ahead and see what a solution looks like. In this case, HI plus H, we have capital H, so that will print hello world. So this output is yes. If the output is yes, print yes in caps. If not, print no in caps. Okay, that's what they're asking. In the second case, Codeforces does not have a HQ9, so that answer is no. Okay, so we are asked to print if the program will produce any output. You see, these first 3 cases where it says prints, we know that something is being printed to console, which means there is an output. But this plus value right here, it just increments the value stored in the internal accumulator. It does not print anything, right? So that means this plus should be ignored as well. We should check if H, Q or 9 is in the string. St means the string. Okay, so that is, we take this input string, we check with 3 conditions right here. We can put all of this in the same if condition also, and then if this condition is success, print yes, else print no. So that is very simple. Let's just see how that looks like in code. So let's take the string as input. So we do input and then we say if, and since everything is case sensitive, H, Q and 9, we can say if H in st or Q in st or 9 in st. Okay, so any one of these conditions is successful. It'll just go to this if condition as it's true. So if it is true, go ahead and print yes. Give me a second. Let's close this off. And else we can print no. That's it. If I run this code, you can see both the test cases passed. I hope you are able to understand how we're doing this. Just simple if conditions. Let me just go ahead and paste this code as well. Only thing to keep in mind is that particular plus value does not give an output. So we're not doing that, and we're using caps here because it's case sensitive. Okay, so we're only checking for HQ and 9. Let me just go ahead and paste this in the submit to show you guys that this code works. It's very simple, this problem. Again, even though it's problem 30 or something in the A2OJ ladder, it's just one thing. You have to read the question and make sure to note that this particular plus value does not have any output. If you are able to find that out, that's it, the code will be able to run. So as you can see, this problem got accepted. That's it guys for this video. I hope you are able to understand something out of this. If this video helped you, hit that like button. Let me know down in the comments if you have any alternative approaches or feedback. I'll see you in another video. Thank you so much for watching.